Good morning, students, and welcome to an English class with Teacher Abel again. Today, we are going to learn how to understand and follow instructions and directions in English. So let's get started. Instructions and directions are usually made of imperative sentences. In other words, they usually start with the base form of a verb in the positive sentences and with don't in the negative. So, now let's see and practice some examples. Get into the bus. Get into the bus. Tear off the paper. Tear off the paper. Fold the paper in half. Fold the paper in half. Don't walk away. Don't walk away. Don't open the book. Don't open the book. Don't turn left. Don't turn left. Fantastic. Excellent. Good job. Now, we're going to do an activity which requires you to carefully listen to my instructions or directions. I will only say the instructions or directions once, so it's your job to follow them. I will first tell you where to put the pencil on the paper. Then I'm going to tell you a short story which will require that you move your pencil up, down, left or right. And finally, I will tell you to draw pictures in different boxes as I tell you the story. So let's get started with the activity, for which you're gonna need a pencil. Okay? And don't worry, this paper grill is gonna be attached here down below in the video. Okay, so you can download it later and do the activity. Okay? Now, follow my steps, please. Put your pencil on the black box in the lower right-hand corner of the paper. This is where the story is going to start. Finally, after months of waiting, the day you are leaving for summer camp has arrived. The bus ride to camp is very long and you do not get there until the sun has set. Move your pencil 7 boxes on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. When you walk out of the bus, you look up and see more stars than you have ever seen before. There should be a star on the box your pencil landed on. If your pencil did not land on the box with the star, you did not correctly follow the directions. Be careful to listen closely to my instructions or directions. Make sure your pencil is on the box with the star. Once everyone is off the bus, your camp counselor finds you and you walk down a straight gravel road to what you think is a little house. Move your pencil up 6 spaces. This is your cabin, and it is where you will be sleeping during your time at camp. The cabin has a door and just one window. Draw your cabin in the box. Your pencil is C4. You walk into your cabin, unpack, lie down on your bed, and quickly fall asleep. Before you know it, you hear a bell ringing in the distance. You know the bell means it's time to get up. You make your bed and head out the door for breakfast. You really don't know where you are going, but just follow the crowd down a straight road. Move your pencil 4 spaces to the right. You sit down at the table with 5 other campers. On the table, large plates of food and a smaller circular plate for each of the campers. The large plates of food are passed around, and each camper takes one he or she wants. You take 2 pieces of bacon, 1 spoonful of scrambled eggs, and 1 cinnamon roll. Draw your plate in the box where your pencil is, G4. After breakfast, you head down a winding road to your first activity, swimming. Move your pencil down 3 spaces. To the left, 5 spaces. And down 2 spaces. When you get to the lake, your counselor says, "The sun is smiling down on you today, so make sure you put on sunblock." Draw the sun the counselor is talking about in the box where your pencil is, B9. Because you are such a good swimmer, you are put into the advanced swimmer group. You take a long walk on a curvy dock to deeper water. Move your pencil up 7 spaces. Three spaces to the right. Down 4 spaces. And 2 spaces to the right. Finally, you reach the end of the long dock. The counselor explains each swimmer will get a partner and each pair will get a swimmer number. The swimming numbers will be counted off whenever the lifeguard blows her whistle. You are excited because your partner is the camper who shares a bank bed with you. It is very important for you to remember your swimming number. It is your lucky number, which is number 3. Add it to itself. 3 plus 3, simple. Write your swimming number in the box where your pencil is, G6. When you are finished swimming, you get out and sit on the bank to dry it off. You are watching 2 sailboats that race around a complicated course. The sailboats must go around buoys in a specific order. You trace the course with your finger. Move your pencil 2 spaces to the right. Up 4 spaces. And to the left 4 spaces. The sails on the boat are shaped like triangles and have 2 circles on each of them. Draw a picture of the sail in the box your pencil is in, E2. Fantastic job. I'm sure you did a great job following the instructions or directions. And if you didn't, don't worry. You can watch this video as many times as you need in order to do it. Well, That's all for today. See you. Bye bye. Jesus live in our hearts forever.